In this video, we're going to talk about how to start building your FireFly POS menu from the ground up. Let's go to Configuration, Items to get started. The FireFly system is based on a menu hierarchy of department, then categories within that department, and then items within the category. So the first step is to create your departments. Group items that share a similar size structure and may share similar toppings or modifiers into one department. Before you get started, you might want to spend some time outlining your menu and organizing it into major departments. Okay, let's start with our first department, which is going to be pizza. We'll just click Add with nothing selected, and it'll add a new department. It's pretty simple to enter the information you need on this screen. You can ignore the PLU number, as that will be entered for you. The corporate checkbox is used for multi-store menu management purposes. All I really need to do is type the department name. I am going to check to allow fractional orders for pizza, and then confirm my pricing style and the type of fractions I allow. We have a detailed fractional video that covers these options in more detail. Okay, let's save, and we'll move on to the size screen here. Here in the first column is where you can enter your sizes for your pizzas. Start with the smallest size and type it in the first box. Then come down below and type a 2-letter abbreviation, a display name, and a description. Continue until you've entered all of your sizes. Okay, now I have all my sizes entered. We're going to move to the next column. This is optional and can be used if you have different crust types. Let's label the column crust, and then we'll enter our crust types, the same as size. So I might have a thin crust, thin, 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 a thick crust, and a gluten-free crust. The rest of these columns are for additional style type modifiers, but they're not commonly used. Let's go ahead and save our size screen. One more thing to look at is the tax screen. All we need to do here is select the available tax structure for this department and add it by moving it to the right. You can override for individual items when you add them, but picking the tax structure here will default all items in this department to be taxed according to the sales tax structure. If you haven't added a tax structure yet, you'll need to do that first. Other options on the tax screen include making something non-taxable or setting tax to be included in the price. This is useful when you want to have nice round prices, such as in a bar situation. We'll just hit Save Changes here. Now that this department is set up, you can go ahead and set up the remaining departments or proceed to add some categories inside the pizza department.